802.11b is a very old Wi-Fi standard from 1999, operating on the 2.4 GHz band at a slow 11 Mbps. It's needed for some ancient devices like old smartphones or legacy industrial equipment. However, Spectrum routers typically prioritize newer, faster standards like Wi-Fi 5 and Wi-Fi 6. As of 2025, direct 802.11b support is largely gone from Spectrum routers due to security vulnerabilities and interference issues. You likely won't find an explicit 802.11b option in your router's settings anymore. Firmware updates have removed it to comply with security guidelines. Instead, routers use mixed modes like 802.11g/n, which might work for some but not all 802.11b devices. Keep in mind that using 802.11b is often insecure as it relies on outdated protocols like WEP and can slow down your entire network. Since direct 802.11b enablement isn't usually possible on Spectrum routers, here are common workarounds. The most reliable is to use an external 802.11b compatible access point. Connect this access point to your Spectrum router via Ethernet cable and configure it in bridge mode. This creates a separate Wi-Fi network specifically for your older devices. You can find older 802.11b compatible routers or access points online, but be sure to use a secure connection for the devices that connect to it. This setup isolates legacy devices on a separate network segment. Another thing to consider is that the FCC has mandated WPA3 encryption, rendering 802.11b non-compliant. It's also important to note the trend towards obsolescence, with 802.11b adoption plummeting. For security and performance, consider upgrading your legacy devices if possible, or isolating them on a separate network segment if they absolutely need to connect. Connecting an Ethernet cable via an adapter is another alternative to get older devices online.